Code to Enhance Learning presents the CEL video series for beginners to learn various coding concepts. Through this video series, we aim to introduce you to the world of coding using the Scratch coding platform. Hello everyone, I am Ayush Sankaran, an enthusiastic coder, CEL Hackathon participant, and a volunteer for CEL. I am going to be introducing you to the concepts of programming using the Scratch platform with fun and simple projects. What are we waiting for? Let's get started! Welcome to course 1 of the series Coding with Scratch. In the 7th episode, we will learn to create a rhyme player. Let's look at a demo of our project. Our rhyme player has 3 rhymes listed. I'm going to press the keys 1, 2 or 3 to play the starting few lines of each rhyme to show you how it works. I now press number 1.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star.
Space key takes me back to the home screen. Now I press 2.
Learning bridges falling down, falling down, falling down. Learning bridges falling down, my fair lady.
Now I press 3.
Oh, MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
This is how our project will work. In this session, we will be able to create a rhyme player which will play different rhymes. Let us recap the concept of perseverance. Persistence in doing something despite difficulty or delay in achieving success with a positive or I can do it mindset is called perseverance. Just like we need to practice regularly in sports or music to achieve success, similarly in computing, we need to develop perseverance to keep writing and correcting our code till we achieve the result that we want. Let's look at how we can use abstraction in our current project. We think about 2 things. One is what will happen on the stage, and the second is what sprite and backdrop we need. When we think about this, we understand that we should show the home screen with different rhymes listed, play the different rhymes with lyrics listed on screen, and stopping a rhyme when we go back to the home screen. Next, when we think about the sprites and backdrops needed, we understand that we need only the backdrops with the home screen and different rhymes. As you can see, abstraction has made the project really simple to understand. Let us now see how to code the project on Scratch. This is the Scratch offline editor where we will be coding our project. Before I start the project, I have 6 files in a folder in my computer. 3 of them are image files with lyrics of the rhymes, and 3 of them are music files where the rhymes can be heard. I will be using these files in my project when we code. I go back to the Scratch editor. I will rename the project as Rhyme Player. I then delete the cat sprite as we do not need any sprites for this project. I go to the Backdrops tab where I have one blank backdrop. I will change the color to black and draw a rectangle on the screen. Then using the text tool, I type my title. I then list the songs I will be playing. This is my title screen. Next, I will upload my images as separate backdrops. I go to choose a backdrop and then use the upload option. I select all the 3 images and then click open. Now you will see that all three images have come in Scratch as separate backdrops. Now I go to backdrop 2 and click on convert to vector, which will allow me to edit the backdrop. I move the image up a bit, and underneath I will write press space key to go to home screen. Then I click on the select tool and then click on the copy option so that I can use the same line in other screens as well. I then go to background 3 and click convert to vector. Then I align the image. Then I click paste so that the line we wrote appears here. I then repeat the same steps for the next backdrop as well. Finally, I rename all my backdrops from 0 to 3. Once all the backdrops are ready, I need to record the sounds. For this, I go to the Sounds tab. I go to choose a sound and use the upload option. I will select all the three music files from my folder and bring it into my project. Next, we will code our project. I need to code such that when I press the song number from the list, the song is played and the lyrics are visible. I go to Events and bring the When key pressed event and change the key to 1. Then from Looks, I bring Switch Backdrop to Block and change the value to 1. Then from Sounds, I bring Start Sound Block and select Twinkle Sound. I duplicate these codes and now select Key 2, Backdrop 2 and Song as London Bridge. I repeat the same steps for key 3 as well. I need to press the spacebar to go home, so I bring the event when key space pressed block. In Looks, I bring the switch backdrop to block and select 0. Then from Sounds, I bring the block Stop All Sounds. What this block does is even if a rhyme is playing midway and you press the spacebar, you will come to the home screen and the rhyme stops playing. Let's test our project. I am on the home screen now. I press 1 and you can see and hear the first song.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. All MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Now that you know how to upload images and sounds, you can create a story with multiple screens and sounds, or you can create a fashion show with music and different sprites. Challenge yourself to create things you like. Let's test your understanding. A project called Music Player has 3 songs in it. The songs can be played by the user pressing the number 1, 2 and 3 keys on the keyboard. Which event would you use for the script given in the image? Please pause and try to answer. The answer option is B. Hope you got it right. In the next episode, we will be able to create colorful shapes using loops. This is Ayush signing off. Bye.